I am currently at Trader Joe's and I thought it would be fun to do a kosher Trader Joe's shop with me situation. I'm not gonna buy everything there that is kosher because I don't need it all and have it at home. But there's a lot of things that are at Trader Joe's that are kosher, which is really exciting. And I wanna show them all with you and show you my favorite snacks. So let's go. My goal with this video is to obviously show you the foods that I really like at Trader Joe's, but also to show you just how many kosher options there are at Trader Joe's that you might not have known about. For example, I haven't had many of these crackers or even seen them before, but just the fact that I could try them is really exciting. These Cheddar Rockets are so good. They taste exactly like goldfish, and I was obsessed with goldfish growing up and was super sad to find out that they aren't kosher. So these are a really great alternative. I mean, look how many options there are of just chips and just of snacks and the different flavors. It's really so exciting. I ate these chips like it was nobody's business growing up. They're so good by themselves, but you could totally have them with guac. These nuts are so good. They are such a good snack. And fun fact, I broke my Yom Kippur fast this past year by eating these nuts. We are now moving into the sweets portion of Trader Joe's. I've never had these cookies, but they look so good. Some more random treats, and as you can see, it has a kosher symbol. I tried these with my friends a while back, and I remember not liking them, and I actually don't think any of us did. But again, really cool that we could try something so funky. Now we're moving on to the very important ice cream section. First, we have Mochi. I love Mochi. It's so good. We have these really yummy looking popsicles that I've never tried, but now I need to. There's tons of different types of ice creams to choose from and different flavors. Chocolate lava cake is my favorite dessert, and these really don't let down. And then just a few more things in the freezer section. I haven't tried most of these, but now I really need to. I've always been kind of confused about the layout of Trader Joe's, but they have a lot of really good chocolates above the freezers. I love the dark chocolate peanut butter cups, so good. And of course, Trader Joe's classic Scandinavian Swimmers. I didn't see the sour ones, but the sour ones are also good. And then for the first time, I've seen these cinnamon dragons. Never really seen them before. I need to try them. And also, I've never seen Scandinavian Swimmers that are just the red. So that's really exciting. Lastly, I saw this pet photo wall and I thought it was the cutest thing ever. That is all for now. This does not mean that the only things I showed you are the only things that are kosher in Trader Joe's. I'm sure there's so many more things that are kosher that I just didn't see or I don't know about. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned that there are tons of kosher options at Trader Joe's.